This video is going to be about my bullet journal, and the best thing about bullet journal is that you can customize it. So let's start with the first page. So the first page is about the key, where I have written different symbols denoting different things like task, subtask, completed, etc., etc. And I've also divided the pages and written down the units so that I don't have to count the number of boxes every single time I design a new page. These two pages are yearly goals and brain dumps, and you can clearly see I don't use them. I use my iPhone notes for them. My most favorite part about the journal is gratitude in one line, where I write one thing that I'm grateful for every single day. Yeah, I love practicing gratefulness. And I also write a beautiful quote on top denoting the importance of gratefulness every single month. Now this is very famous, that's a monthly log, and it didn't work for me, so I skipped it in every single month after January. Another favorite thing is my habit tracker and expense tracker. I track my habits, different habits, and also my pocket money expenses monthly, and I love it, it's great. Here's where I write my to-do list, and then I allot different time for all of it, and I also have a reminder section down below. And on top I write the days of the week as a reminder, as an organization, whatever it is. The key to great bullet journal is do what works best for you. By now you must have realized that I'm not much into aesthetics but functionality. If you're like me, great. If you believe in aesthetics, more power to you. My theme is simple yet polish. If you're into doodling, you can take inspiration from these millions and millions of layouts from Instagram, Pinterest. There is no one way of doing this. Just try out new things and figure out what works best for you. You can see I have continued things, and I have discarded many of them as well. In this particular expense tracker, you can see that everything was 000 because it was lockdown and I didn't have anything to spend my pocket money on. Now I've used these pages as rough page because anyone with a cat can totally relate with this. If you leave your books open, they're gonna tear the pages. Again, try new things, figure out what works, modify it. Like gratitude in one line and habit tracker are my favorite. I don't need expense tracker because I'm still quarantined, and I have changed the day system to date system. Like I no longer write Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I simply write the day. It's more accountable. This was it, guys, for this journal tour. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, share and follow. Thank you for watching.